Hey Laramie County, I'm Carey Hartmann, the Executive Director for the Laramie County Library System, your public library. We have so many wonderful resources in Laramie County, but I think our greatest resource is our children. So I'm here to announce the wonderful Summer Reading Celebration 2020, and I hope you can help us help our kids become the best they can be. Kids who read through the summer, make sure they don't lose all of the information and the education that they worked so hard to gain at the end of one school year to the beginning of the next. So we hope that you'll join with us and be part of the Summer Reader Celebration 2020. Imagine your story. If you have children, come on in, sign them up in May. If you're a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle, challenge them. Do the program yourself because adults can participate too. And thanks to our partners at REMAX, we'll make sure that there are great incentives for kids to read all summer. We'll have wonderful programs, exciting experiences, and everyone will get into the spirit of knowing that reading and learning is fun and something that is a core part of our lives. So help us help our kids and join the Summer Reading Celebration 2020. See you at the library.